Hello students, my name is Nirav Rajan. Today I am going to start our new topic that is called number systems. Dear students, if you want to learn any of language, then the first step is the alphabets, right? In English language, there are some alphabets like A, B, C, D and Z, right? Similarly, in Gujarati language, there are some alphabets called K, K, G and all. If you want to learn about the number system, then there is some alphabets that is called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 0 to 9s are the numbers which are called as alphabets or characters for the number system. At here we will learn about digital electronics, and for the digital electronics there is only one language is supported, that is called binary language, and in binary language there are only two characters, that is called 0 and 1. See here, 0 and 1 is also known as digital bits, 0 bits and 1 bits. In digital electronics, number system is classified in 4 types. First one is decimal number systems, second one is binary number system, third one is octal number systems, and fourth one is hexadecimal number systems. Dear students, I hope everybody knows about mathematics. Yes or no? Yes. So, mathematics is inevitable part of any engineering system, right? So, now we link mathematics with our subject digital electronics. Now, you can see here the general rules of number systems in the form of mathematical expressions. Now, you can see here this is a fractional point which separate this whole expression in two parts. One is integer part and another one is what? Fractional part. At here you can see this R, this capital R shows base or radix. We can see here this whole expressions in the number system which is known as a positional number system. First digit near to this fractional point, that is called as a base or radix, right? According to the number system, this base or radix are different. At here one important part, that is what? Power. You can see the power. So, the first digit near to the fractional point, that is what? Right? Power in the form of 1, and the next digit having power 2, next digit having power 3. So and so the power value is increased. But very important part is here, the next part means fractional part. You can see in the fractional part there is a power in the form of inverse, right? So we can write here the inverse form of the power -1, -2, -3 and so on. So this way we can represent the number systems according to the different categories of digital number system. Now you can see some variations in our number system. If suppose we have decimal number system, then you must have to write 10 as the base or radix, and there are 10 characters in decimal number systems 0 to 9. Second number system is binary number system, so you must have to write 2 as a base or radix, and there are only 2 characters in binary number system, that is 0 and 1. Now third number, that is what? Octal number system, and in octal number system 8 as a base or radix, and very important part, you have just write numbers 0 to 7 as a octal number system. And fourth one and the last one is what? Hexadecimal number system. And hexadecimal number system is little bit different as compared to other threes, right? At here the 16 as a base or radix, but at here the number starting from 0 to 9, and some alphabet is also used over here, that is what? A, B, C, D, E and F. So full number system is considered as 0 to 9 and alphabets A to F. So if we combine these whole numbers, then we can say that is what? Numbers are in the form of 16 characters in hexadecimal number system. Okay students, keep learning, be curious for your knowledge.